Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage a full timetable using our dashboard. We'll go step by step, from uploading a file to organizing activities, checking conflicts, and even printing your timetable. All right, let's jump right in. Okay, first things first, let's create a new timetable. Before we start, you can download a CSV template that matches the exact structure FET software uses. That way, your data fits perfectly when imported. Now, let's click New Timetable. We'll upload our file, give it a name, add our institution, maybe even upload a logo. That'll show up later on the printed pages. You can also drop in your institution website if you want. Cool. Now we hit Create Timetable. The system is importing everything, and done. Our timetable is ready to go. Before we dive into the schedule, let's take a quick look at the settings. Under the General tab, you'll find a few handy options. You can reset all data, which keeps your timetable but clears out all activities. Or you can delete the timetable completely if you want a fresh start. There's also a public link option. Anyone with the link can view your timetable. And you can choose what the public sees, whether to show conflict warnings, export buttons, or print options. In private access, you can generate a private token for a teammate. That lets them manage data, move activities around, or lock items as needed. And under backups, you can create and download backups whenever you want. Pretty convenient, right? All right, let's check out our brand new timetable. Up top, you'll see some tabs for filtering your view. Right now, we've got 14 activities loaded in. Here's one of my favorite parts. You can drag and drop activities anywhere, and it updates instantly. It's super smooth. You can also customize the look. Switch between full titles or short subject codes. Show or hide teachers and rooms. Even adjust font sizes on the fly. And here's a cool trick. When you click an activity, everything else fades out. That makes it easy to focus on one class. You can also edit details like the teacher, day, time, or room right from here. Let's open up the Entity Manager. This is where you can manage everything. Days, time slots, subjects, teachers, rooms, and groups. Notice how our days look out of order? It says Friday, then Monday. That's because of how the CSV was imported. No problem. We can just reorder the days right here. Same with time slots. Easy to adjust. Now, under Subjects, we can view, filter, edit, or add new ones. It works the same way for teachers, rooms, groups, and tags. Let's add a new teacher and a new room real quick. Done. Now we'll use them to create a new activity. We'll pick our new course, select the new teacher, choose a day and time, and save it. If you skip setting a day or time, don't worry. It shows up under Unassigned Activities. You can drag it straight onto the timetable whenever you're ready. Next up, conflict detection. When you move activities around, pay attention to the colors. Green means you're good to go. Red means there's a conflict, maybe a room, teacher, or student overlap. If you're in restricted mode, you won't be able to drop an activity in a conflicting spot. But if you switch to tolerance mode, you'll still see the warnings, but it'll let you place it anyway. You can also lock activities so they can't be moved accidentally. Great for finalized schedules. If things start to look crowded, use the zoom controls to zoom out and get a full overview. You can even change the layout, swap days and times so they display vertically or horizontally, whichever you prefer. And if you ever wonder where those conflicts are coming from, just open the Conflicts tab. It shows every issue, missing rooms, overlapping teachers, unassigned groups, all listed clearly so you can fix them easily. Now this part is super powerful. Rescheduling. Imagine you've already finalized your timetable, but later you need to move a class to another day. This feature helps you do that safely. When you select a course, it shows you all the students' schedules linked to it, including their busy and free slots. The empty ones are safe zones, meaning no clashes if you move the class there. This is especially helpful at universities, where one small change can affect hundreds of students. It's a total lifesaver. It is important to recall that this feature is more effective when your student groups are actually real students. All right, let's talk about printing and exporting. You can export your timetable as a PNG image or print timetables for all teachers, rooms, or student groups automatically. The printing page gives you tons of customization options. Show or hide subject titles, teachers, rooms, or tags. Change font sizes, logo visibility, and orientation. Even toggle color backgrounds or icons on and off. Each timetable can have its own settings. Super handy if one teacher has a ton of activities and you want to resize just their table. Once you're happy, you can export or print right from here. Easy. And that's it. We've gone through creating a timetable, customizing it, managing data, checking conflicts, rescheduling classes, and even printing everything out beautifully. I hope this walkthrough helped you get a feel for how powerful and easy this dashboard really is. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or features you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.